CFD modeling of pollutant like NOx, soot, and SOx. CFD modeling of NOx uh, consist of cons- uh, consist of the species transport equation, because NOx, sulfur dioxide, which are the chemical species. For CFD modeling point of view, the species transport reaction are solved, but this equation are solved after the combustion. And based on the pollution formation, you have to decide the model. For the NOx, there may be you have to say thermal from fuel N2, because according to the uh, mechanism of the pollutant, chemical kinetic mechanism is different. For the soot are the fluid zone which are strong. When there is a strong temperature gradient, then soot is formed, and it is also complex process. There is a nucleation of the particle. Sometimes there is also surface growth, uh, like this particle accumulate on the surface, then they start growing. There may be coalescence, aggregation of the particle, and SOx consist of the sulfur dioxide, SO3. In short, these all gases are called as SOx. Uh, uh, Sometimes A-steps mechanism is used. There are many methods are there for the NOx modeling, but there are some commonly used method I will explain in this lecture. Pollution modeling is important because any combustion it is required to check whether any combustion should not result to unwanted pollution, and it is called as a semi-empirical mechanism, because uh, after solving combustion, then problem of the pollution is found, because temperature, the concentration of product species is obtained only after the combustion, and once we know the concentration, then we solve this pollution model. Hence, it is called as a semi-empirical mechanism, and these are sensitive to the model input. You have to check the concentration of the air, fuel, and validation is also required. You have to also check the validation of the concentration, whether which are correct or not, because every model has some limitation. You have to check uh, their their advantage and disadvantage. Pollution modeling option in the CFD. Uh, it is also called as a post-processing option, because pollutants are solved with frozen velocity and turbulence and composition field. Once we get velocity field, turbulence, and fuel composition field, then these variables are frozen, and only pollutant equation are solved. And therefore, during the combustion, there may be formation of the radical HOO that needed in pollutant formation. These are calculated based on the equilibrium or partial equilibrium assumption. In chemistry, there is also approach, chemical equilibrium, non-equilibrium approach. Combustion can be solved with without chemical equilibrium. We can see in the fluent there is option chemical equilibrium or without chemical equilibrium. Similarly, we can select chemical kinetic of the pollutant with without equilibrium. And acid fluent has NOx, SOx, soot formation model. This is called a post-processing approach. There may be a fully coupled approach to capture the detailed chemistry. In this case, transport equation of pollutants are solved coupled with some major species, but it is a comparatively expensive compared to the post processing. If you solve equation like mass, momentum, energy, turbulence, then species for the combustion. Then again, solving Fortran species becoming burden to the to hardware. Uh, to avoid it, people use a post-processing technique. There is also approach decoupled detailed chemistry, pollution post-processing using chemical kinetic rate mechanism. It can be decoupled, and we are solving only pollution because uh, actual case reaction are dependent each other. During the pollution modeling, only species transport equation are solved, and it is not coupled to the chemical kinetic. That means we are not considering the, uh, reaction kinematics to save the computation time. To solve Knox model equation using post-processing step is preferable. Knox typically appears in low concentration. No nitrogen oxide chemistry will have negligence effect on the flow period temperature and major combustion and product of concentration. And no accurate combustion solution accurate combustion solution is required. Before going to pollution modeling, you have to think that our combustion is properly simulated. You have to run further for the conversion of radiant heat flux by increasing resolution of the radiation uh, 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 transport equation. Because if your temperature is correct, that means Knox will be correct. If temperature is wrong, then the Knox will be wrong. Hence you have to ensure that combustion is correctly predicted. We learned what is the thermal NOx, prom NOx, and fuel NOx. Uh, here I am not giving to again for this topic. There are some NOx pathways considered for the NOx model. There is a due to hydrocarbon radical, there is some reaction. Hydrocarbon radical react with nitrogen, then there is the formation of hydrogen cyanide. Then is formed. Then after uh, there may be possibility of N2. The charged nitrogen combustion O2 N2, NOx formation, volatile gases. This means these all reaction are coupled. And there are some mechanism, thermal NOx, fuel NOx, that only these paths are different. So those are interested for solid combustion. There will be a charged nitrogen. For that, fuel NOx may be important. And all this lead to the formation of the NO, and it is called as a NOx emission. NOx is modeled based on the species concentration equation. We learned in fifth lecture mass transfer and its modeling. Mass transfer basically it is a species transport. For species transport, we solve the equation for particular species by considering unsteady term, advection term, and diffusion term, and source term. And source term or is also called as the destruction term. Due to reaction term, this source is term is changed. And here for the nitrogen oxide, species can be nitrogen oxide, hydrogen cyanide, and ammonia. This is a very simple form equation I have written. If you go to the chemical kinetic, there are at least 2-3 reactions are formed. But yeah, I have present only a simple form. And the source term in the species transport is modeled based on the turbulence chemistry interaction. And turbulence chemistry interaction is decided by the Damocles number. Damocles number is the ratio of the flow time to the reaction time. Because turbulence chemistry is affecting the overall uh, 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 source term, or it may be uh, destruction term for the particular species. To model the thermochemistry interaction, then different approaches are used. Here the source term is there, but here I have presented omega bar as a source term in reaction. And this thermochemistry interaction is decided by concentration, temperature, and temperature, composition, fluctuation are also taken considering the probability density function. And probability density function is determined for each variable. Variable may be temperature, mixture composition. That variable also introduced. And for calculation of mean nitrogen production by using probability density function approach, first approach is a single variable probability density function approach. Single variable probability density function, that means source term for nitrogen oxide, it can be considered as a single variable. You can use as a mixture fraction approach or temperature. You can use only one approach. By considering the probability density function we are using here. For mixture fraction, this approach is recommended for the non-premix combustion or partial premix combustion model. There is also temperature approach are used for the single variable approach. For two variable approach, the source term for nitrogen oxide is function of the two variable, and it is multiplied by probability density function for variable V1 and V2. What are two variables V1, V2? These variables can be fuel fraction and temperature in combination. V1, V2 can be temperature or oxygen or mass fraction, oxygen mass fraction. It can be this can be the fuel mass fraction or oxygen mass fraction. You have to select any one variable, selecting this model. These variables are important for the pollution. These are directly linked to the source term. After learning NOx modeling, then we learn soot modeling. Soot modeling, it has a very small size compared to the human ear. Human ear has a size of 150 micrometer. Human eye can see up to 25 micrometer particle. There are dust, bacteria, tobacco particle, and vehicle some particle due to combustion we can't see from our naked eye, and these soot particles are harmful for our lungs, and is controlling is important. Soot deposition is happening on the combustion liner, and it can affect durability, heat transfer, and combustion performance. Hence, hence controlling the soot particle is very important. It happens generally for the liquid fuel. Soot particle affect the also radiation absorption. So, because soot particle which has high temperature, and this particle emits radiation. It is a model Lagrangian approach. Using Lagrangian approach, we can apply heat conservation of the heat transfer approach to the each particle. That means change in energy of the particle is equal to net heat transfer by convection radiation from the particle surface. That approach is also used for the heat transfer point of view. But here think how these soot particles are formed. There are some approaches that used. That is the first approach is a Moss-Broker model. Second is a method of moment. But here I am presenting Moss-Broker model, which is available in the CFD model. And Moss-Broker model was originally developed for the methane, because methane is the ideal fuel for the combustion. It has very simple chemical kinetic, and it is easy to understand. For higher hydrocarbon, max Hall extension is also available. You can see in literature. They use the two equation model. First is the mass fraction and second is the nuclear concentration. This equation is similar to the species transport equation. They use the soot concentration function y, which are same term, unsteady term, adduction term, diffusion term, and the source term. And there is a nuclear concentration term. Then they have the nucleation is they more, consider by solving separate equation. Two equation model they have been used soot mass fraction and nuclear concentration. You have to select the precursor. That means for which hydrocarbon these nucleation are formed. C6 or S6 or C2H2, C6 or H5 that you have to select in CFD model. You have to also select the surface growth model like a subcase species, something they have given like C2H2. Some species you have to select. For oxidization, we have to select some model, yet the model OH radical O2. Here I presented two reactions for the hydrocarbon. Then H2 are formed. Then there is some reaction uh, DM and DNDT. These are the short term. This is DM DNT, which are the some short term in the soot transport equation and nuclear transport. And this is the calculated. See, all these short term are depend on reaction rate. Reaction rate, Cx concentration divided by PRT. This is the pressure and exponential minus T upon exponential T. This non-dimensional activation temperature. That means they are considering the reaction rate. I think AXPFT they are divided by C. They have developed some model. And similarly for the nucleation rate, they also developed some model based on the concentration and the uh, precursor X is I think mass fraction, this mole fraction of the precursor species. Precursor species are C2, H2, C6, S6, and there is also reaction in this this hydrocarbon, and these are considered for the calculation of source term for the soot and nucleation. Because these are present a very simple way. If we go in the Fluent Handbook and the textbook, it may be difficult. Those are interested research, they can go detail as they want. In Fluent, that you can select the soot model using a Maas-Brooks model. You have to select the soot precursor species C2H6. You have to select the surface growth species C2H6. Because what species are growing at the surface, you have to select. You have to use a mass instead of soot particle concentration. Mean density of soot particle you have to define. A soot observation model you have to select Lee model, which you have to select the instantaneous, and soot and thermal radiation interaction you can enable, and the turbo interaction model you can use the mixture fraction as a single variable approach. These things are there for the NOx and the SOx model, because these are two major species